All right, for this problem, just like for the previous problem up here, we needed a net ionic. Down here, we need a balanced chemical equation to do this reaction. This is the balanced chemical equation for the neutralization. Phosphoric acid produces 3 H pluses, so we need to have 3 sodium hydroxides in order to balance those 3 H pluses. And then those 3 H pluses and 3 OH minuses get together and they make 3 waters. And then all the other pieces that are floating in the solution, the phosphate, PO43 minus, and the 3 sodium pluses, they get together and they make the salt. And this salt is dissolved. All sodium salts are soluble, so this is dissolved in the solution. And if you don't want to think so much about it, but just want to sort of start to analyze the problem, so for the base, we have a volume and a concentration. For the acid, we have only a volume. Okay, we have the volume of the acid, but we have a volume and a concentration of the base. So this is the better place to start, really the only place that we can start. 33.4 milliliters of the sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, now I can get my hooks into it with the molarity. And 1,000 mLs of the sodium hydroxide solution will contain 0.150 moles of sodium hydroxide. Okay, this next step is going to be why this right here is so critical. For 3 moles of sodium hydroxide, it takes 3 moles of sodium hydroxide to neutralize 1 mole of H3PO4. Put all of this into my calculator. 33.4 times 0.150 divided by 3 times 1,000. Okay, so 0.00167 moles of H3PO4. Okay, well, this amount of the H3PO4 was contained in the 25 mLs. And molarity is moles of solute, in this case our phosphoric acid, per liter of solution. And so let's go ahead and put in our moles, 0.00167 moles of H3PO4. And then we have milliliters. I'm going to go ahead and divide this by 1,000. So 25 divided by 1,000 is 0.0250 for our sig figs liters of solution. Okay, now my 0.00167 divided by 0.0250 says that my solution is 0.0668 molar H3PO4. Okay, that's how strong, that's the concentration of my phosphoric acid solution.